Welcome back to the Agency Brief. The market is shifting faster than your clients can update their roadmaps.
Today, we're breaking down a Stanford-validated method that could be used to track AI search results with 85% accuracy, and why tracking the SERP is officially dead.
Stick around. We're going to show you exactly how to build the 5-field persona card that fixes your prompt engineering. But first, Sam, please tell me you saw the update on the Meta newsroom this morning. Are you ready to express yourself?
I saw it. You're talking about the animated profile pictures.
Come on. You can turn a still photo into a playful animation. Confetti, waves, heart hands. They say it brings your profile to life.
It brings my migraine to life. It's fluff, Alex. They want single subjects facing the camera. It's basically a filter. Great for engagement metrics on Facebook, useless for B2B.
You're no fun. But okay, let's pivot from animating faces to simulating brains. Because while Meta is playing with cartoons, Kevin Indig just dropped a bomb on his growth memo regarding synthetic personas.
Now this is actual news. Indig is tackling the cold start problem in prompt tracking. The premise is simple. You can't just track a keyword anymore because AI personalization changes the output based on who is asking.
Right. The old track the SERP model is incomplete, but the data he cites is wild.
It's Stanford validation data. They found that using synthetic personas, basically AI agents mimicking specific user segments, simulates search behavior with 85% accuracy.
And he mentioned a cost factor too, right?
1/3 of the cost of traditional user testing. And he cited Bain cutting research time by 50 to 70%. If you're an agency, you need to be looking at his 5-field persona card structure. That is the deliverable.
Okay, so building synthetic personas sounds great, but what actually goes in them?
5 fields. That's it. And this is important. You need to resist the urge to add more. 5 fields keep personas maintainable.
5? That seems minimal.
It's minimal by design. Field 1, job to be done. What's the real task they're trying to complete? Not learn about CRM software. That's fake. The real job is choose a CRM before the sales kickoff next month.
Okay, so the actual outcome they need.
Exactly. Field 2, constraints. What's limiting them? Time pressure, budget caps, compliance rules. An enterprise buyer might need SOC 2 compliance. A freelancer just needs it to be free.
So that's why the same person searching for project management gets different results.
Right. Field 3, success metric. How do they know they're done? An executive just needs to feel confident enough to decide. An engineer needs step-by-step instructions they can test.
Different proof standards.
Field 4, decision criteria. What proof do they actually need? Some people want 3 case studies from companies like theirs. Others want technical docs they can validate themselves.
And field 5 has to be vocabulary, right? The words they actually use.
You're learning. A marketing person says improve conversion. A normal person says get more customers to buy. Same concept, completely different search behavior.
So these 5 fields predict how someone will prompt an AI. That's why you can generate trackable queries from them.
Now you're getting it. The persona isn't documentation. It's a simulation engine.
It makes sense. Instead of guessing, you generate 15 to 30 trackable prompts per segment. That is scaling intelligence. Speaking of scaling, did you catch that report out of Canada? The one commissioned by Meta?
Commissioned by Meta is the key phrase there. I always read the funding disclosure first.
Fair, but the Linux Foundation was involved too. They're projecting AI could add $180 billion annually to Canada's GDP by 2030.
The number is big, sure, but the interesting part isn't the cash, it's the mechanism. The report specifically highlights open source AI as the driver for that growth.
Exactly. They're talking about 35,000 new jobs, but the focus is shifting from pilots to workflows. That's the narrative shift I'm seeing everywhere.
It aligns with the Indig piece. We are done playing with chatbots. We are moving into structural integration. If you aren't embedding this into operations, you aren't getting that 8% productivity bump they're promising.
So we're moving from optimizing for clicks to optimizing for what? Being the answer?
Exactly. It's no longer about rank blue link number 1. I was watching this whiteboard Friday on Moz. Charlie from Exposure Ninja broke it down perfectly. They're calling it AI citation building.
AI citation building. Sounds like a fancy way of saying digital PR, Alex.
It is, but the target changed. You're not trying to impress a human journalist anymore. You're trying to get referenced inside a ChatGPT or Gemini answer. The strategy is actually reverse engineering the prompts.
Okay, hold on. If I reverse engineer the prompt, I still need the AI to trust my source data. So Charlie's suggesting proactive outreach to the sites that feed the AI.
Bingo. You find the sources the AI is already scraping for that topic, and you make sure your brand is cited there. It's Inception SEO.
That makes sense. It's supply chain management for information. But while we're chasing robots, Google is trying to pull us back to reality.
The February Discover update.
The February 2026 Discover Core update, to be precise. I read the release on Search Central. This one is aggressive.
Aggressive how? Usually Discover updates are just make better content.
Not this time. They are explicitly targeting sensational content. They want depth. And the kicker? They're prioritizing locally relevant content based on country.
Interesting. So the clickbait arbitrage sites are getting crushed, and they're handing the traffic to people with actual topic expertise?
That's the claim. Google says their systems can now identify expertise on a topic-by-topic basis. So if you're a generalist news farm, you're done. If you're a deep expert on, underwater basket weaving, you win.
Finally, my hobby pays off. But look, the writing is on the wall here. Whether it's Moz talking about AI citations or Google demanding deep expertise, the era of fluff is over.
Agreed. Low effort is high risk.
All right, that's the teardown for this week. Go fix your citations, go deep in your content, and for the love of rankings, stop writing for 2015 algorithms.
See you in the SERPs.